This is our life. We open the door. Hi guys! You want some food? Back up! You gotta back up or you can't have any food. Hold on, I gotta get McKenna. Give me your hand. Gotta help the kiddo out the door. No hissing. Don't be a brat. Okay. Don't even have to go to the pond anymore. They just show up at the front door. McKenna, no, the goose thinks you have it in your hand. Here you go, bud. That's Fred, our friendly goose. I'm not really sure what to call the duck. McKenna, don't touch the goose. But I feel like we unofficially have some bird pets too. And apparently we're done. But everybody's really excited to see us. All the bread they can get. Now we're gonna go walking.